Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how you can make money with YouTube Shorts and ChatGPT affiliate marketing. And best thing about this method is it is all automated for you. So you don't need any expensive softwares, you don't need any special skills. And also this method is 100% free. So if you are a beginner and you don't have money to invest, then this method might be good for you to try. So with that being said, let's start. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to choose our niche. So let's say that I'm in workout niche. So next thing we need to do, we need to find our keyword. So I'm here on free keyword generator of Ahref. So here, let's just say, for example, I wish to test chest workout. So I will simply say chest exercise. Here, United States. Click here on find keywords. Give it a few seconds to verify that you are a human being. Here you can see chest exercise. 50,000 people search this every month in United States. Competition 56, that is pretty high competition. But we are making YouTube Shorts. So when I go here on vidIQ and when I search same keyword, I am press enter. Here I will see that 33,000 people is searching this keyword every month on YouTube. Competition 85. Here you can see very high, which means competition is pretty high, so it is not that easy to actually get views. But here is the thing, when I actually go here on Google Translate and when I choose here English, paste that keyword here, and here when I choose, for example, Spanish, and when I copy this keyword now, and when I go back here on vidIQ, and when I test that keyword, press enter, here you will see only 1900 people is searching that, but competition is 75. But here is the thing, guys. Here you can see competition is 75, but that is actually for long videos, for regular videos. Competition for shorts is much less. It is probably less than 10, which means we can get views very easily. And also you will start getting views, not just for this keyword here, you will start getting views for related keywords as well. So what we need to do next, we actually need to write a text. We need to write a script for our video. So for that, we can go simply on ChatGPT. And here I can paste my keyword. And here I can simply say, for example, actually, I will go back here and I'm going to go back here and I'm going to copy chest exercise. It is easier for me because I don't speak Spanish. So I will say here, give me 5 short chest exercises. But like I said, this video will be in Spanish. So here I will choose Spanish or Espanol as they say here. Okay, ChatGPT finished writing this short article for me. As you can see here, these are 5 chest exercises in Spanish language. So what we need to do next, we need to create a video. So for that, you can use InVideo. And they have free plans and paid plan. You can use free plan. Here you can see sign up, it's free. After you sign up, what you need to do, you need to click here on create new. And then you need to click here on text to video because we used ChatGPT to write us as basically a script for our video. So what I need to do, I simply need to copy this, Control C, and I need to go back on InVideo. And here what you need to do, you need to choose portrait because we are actually making videos for YouTube Shorts. And what you need to do here, you need to find a template that fits the best to your niche. Just scroll through these templates until you find one. So let me just scroll through these templates quickly. It won't take that long. So just a few seconds to find the right template for me. Okay, motivational exercise video. Here you can see when I click here, I will use this template. Click here on use this template. Okay. And here we need to paste our text that we actually wrote in ChatGPT. So I will simply paste that text here and then just click here on create scenes. Click here, okay, yes, and give it a few seconds. Click here again on create scenes. Unfortunately, you have to do that because this text was a bit too long. Now, this process can take just a few seconds, but also it can take a few minutes depending on how long this video is. Here you can see it is generating thumbnail. Basically, now it is creating our videos for us. Here you can see it did create a video. Here you can see how this actually looks. Here you can see they added images. Here you can see all our slides. and you can actually change all of these. You can change these images here, just click here, and you can simply click here on images, and you can use one of their royalty-free images. You can simply search images here to find the right images for you, or you can simply click here on uploads, and you can upload your own images. Also, and to add those images, all you have to do is just drag those images here and drop them, drag and drop media here. Okay, you can also add short videos. You can edit this text, just double click here on this text, and here you can edit this text as well. And this is also really important. Here you can see this plus and this minus. So when I click here on this plus, this scene here, this slide here is now 6 seconds long. I can make it to be 7, 8, or whatever, or however, or 10, 15, 20 seconds long. And I can also click here on minus, and I can make it, for example, let's just say 4 seconds long, 3, 2 seconds long, depending how long you wish to be. Here you can see this video is 2 minutes long. It is way too long because YouTube Shorts should be under 60 seconds long. So here you can see this slide is now 4 seconds long, but this slide here is actually, here you can see this slide is 21 seconds long. It is way too long, so I need to make this to be shorter, okay? Just make this shorter, and now this slide is shorter. And here you can see how this actually looks. Your entire video, okay? But video without voice is boring. So what you need to do, you actually need to click here on voiceover. And here you can see, you can actually, when you click here on voiceover, you can automate text to speech. Basically, you can use InVideo to create text, to create a voiceover, robotic voiceover from the text that you gave them. You can also import your own voiceover if you created your voiceover, or if you paid someone to create your voiceover. Here you can see you can upload your own file, or you can simply directly record your voiceover here on InVideo. But like I said, you can also import from uploads, you can also import music. Now, if Spanish is not your native language, this is a tip for you, then you should use a workout motivational music. That is my tip for you. And when I click here, for example, on automated text to speech, here I can actually choose language. So I need to find Spanish language. So let me just go here to find Spanish language. Here you can see US Spanish, okay? Click here. Here you can choose a voice artist. Here you can see they only have 2, but I will just stick with the Penelope, okay? And when I click here on generate voiceover, they will actually generate voiceover automatically for me. But here is another tip for you. If you're using generic voiceover, automated generated voiceover, then you probably won't be accepted in YouTube partnership program. In that case, it is better to actually use royalty-free music. So when I click here on play, you can actually hear how this sounds.
Vuelve a subir las mancuernas a la posición inicial.
As you can see, it actually looks like a robotic voice. It is not that good. There are better automated voiceovers, robotic voiceovers, but you can use this one if you want. But like I said, it is better to actually use royalty-free music if Spanish, in this case, if Spanish is not your native language. Now, after you finish everything, editing everything, adding your own videos, adding your own images, your own text, your own music or voiceover or whatever, all you have to do is just click here on export and export this video to your desktop. Here you need to choose, if you're using a free option, then you need to choose 720 pixels. And then click here on export, and like I said, export this video to your desktop. Now, next thing you need to do, you actually need to upload this video on your YouTube channel. Just click here on upload. And now we need to add a title, so I will simply go back here on ChatGPT and I will simply copy this, okay? I will simply copy this, Ctrl+C, go back here on YouTube, and I'm going to paste that here. And this is really important. Here you need to add a hashtag shorts, okay? Shorts. And here you need to add a description. Again, you can simply go back here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to create you a description for this text here in Spanish for your YouTube video, and then simply come back here and add the description here. So now what we need to do, we actually need to find the products that we are going to promote, our affiliate products. Now to find those products that you wish to promote in your YouTube Shorts, you can simply go on Digistore 24 and you can click here on fitness and health, and here you can find workout related products that you can actually promote. You can also go on Clickbank Marketplace and then click here on health and fitness. And also what you can do, you can scroll here and you can click here on languages, and here you can click on Spanish, and here you can see there are 43 products in this category on Spanish language, and you can use these products, you can promote these products in your YouTube Shorts. And after you do that, all you have to do is just add your Clickbank or Digistore 24 affiliate link here in the description, then simply add tags here. So let me just scroll here. Here you need to add tags. Again, same thing. You can simply go back here on ChatGPT and you can tell it to create you tags in Spanish language for your main keyword for your YouTube video, for your YouTube short. And they will do that, and all you have to do is just copy and paste those tags here, and then just click here on next and publish this video on YouTube as a YouTube short. As you saw, it is really easy, it is really simple, and it doesn't take that much time to actually create these videos. And what you need to do, this is really important, you need to upload these videos every day on YouTube. Like I said, it will take you only 5 to 10 minutes to make those videos. And after a month or two, trust me guys, because there is no competition, you will start getting thousands and thousands of views, and you will start getting clicks on your affiliate link. And also, this is another tip for you. You should upload these videos not just on YouTube as YouTube Shorts, you should also upload them on your TikTok page, on your Pinterest page, and also on your Instagram page as an Instagram Reel. In that case, you will reach even more people, you will get even more traffic, you will make even more money. So like I said, just upload videos every day. That is really important. And as you can see, this is really simple way to make money with YouTube Shorts and ChatGPT in 2023. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side, you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.